Hi 9C, I hope you're all doing well today. This video is just to show you a document that we've added to Google Classroom, our homeroom Google Classroom. And I'm calling it the Isolation Bulletin Board. So it's a place where we're all going to help each other stay on track over the next 2 weeks. And by we, I mean you guys, mostly you guys. So this document has been shared with every single one of you. You all have editing access to the same document. So that means you can all make changes to it, and we can all see who has made what changes. So the purpose of this document is so that, we can all make sure that we're on the same page with everything that needs to get done, and that you have a place to ask each other questions about what needs to happen. So think of this like, this is like the bulletin board that we have in class where we write down what's coming up and when things are due. It's a little more detailed than the one we have in class, but there you have it. And then the Q&A space, think of that like the 2 minutes in between class where someone says, wait, what? We have math homework, we have science homework, and then somebody else, you know how you help each other out in real life? Think of this as a space that you can help each other out, just like that. So yes, I've shared it with all of you, and I'm going to do your updates for your English requirements and for your health and religion, obviously. And I'm going to assign one person each week to be in charge of making sure that you have an updated task list for science, one for French, one for math, and one for social studies. And that's going to change every week, so you're all going to have a turn with helping each other out that way. So put a question here in the Q&A box if something isn't clear about how to use this document, or send me a message through Microsoft Teams or on Google Classroom here. I think that's it. Thanks, you guys. Have a good day.